When dead skin cells build up on your lips, they prevent your lips from getting the moisture they need. Gently exfoliating your skin with a sugar scrub helps to remove dead skin cells caused by chapping. Chapped lips are typically caused as a result of environmental factors and personal habits. Cold weather, dry weather, sun damage, wind exposure, excessive licking of lips. Licking dry lips and coating them with a layer of saliva may seem like a quick relief, but it actually aggravates the chapping. Smoking and drinking, skin irritants in toothpaste, dehydration, and certain medications. Well, try this homemade cinnamon lip scrub for a little exfoliation, which will prep your lips to receive the healing properties of lip balm. Not to mention, it will leave your lips naturally plumper and smelling of fall. So, all we need here is 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons olive oil, and 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Mix all the ingredients together. Apply to lips with fingertips and gently slough off dry dead skin cells by scrubbing in circular motions. It's important to use a gentle technique and not over-exfoliate to prevent small tears in the skin. Rinse with warm water and follow with lip balm. Use this scrub once or twice a week. You can keep it in the refrigerator for about 2 weeks. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend. And thank you so much for watching.